everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will see the incredible transformation of a 15-year-old shower into looking brand new again. Jumping right into the video, make sure to take everything out of your shower and anything around it. Before you begin, make sure you have all your safety items and ventilate your work area. Forewarning, your children may be scared of you and your family may laugh at you once you have all your safety items on. The secret ingredient is the clinging bleach gel toilet bowl cleaner. This product is magic. I love this stuff. Start at the top and work your way down to the bottom. I went left to right horizontally, and what works better doing it vertically is starting from the bottom and going to the top. Sorry about this video, it was hard holding the camera at the same time, but this is the first day putting the cleaner on, and I ended up doing this twice. When you're ready for the bottom, do the same thing vertically and put it a little bit heavier. Don't worry, it's going to look really messy, and it was really hard doing this on video, but take a section as long as a paper towel at a time, putting the product on as thick as you can, and then put the paper towel immediately over top of it to hold the product in place. And do that all along the whole perimeter of the shower or your tub. As you can see, this is working perfectly. You can see the black mold and the soap scum disappearing. You can see all the places that I've also missed with the product. What I should have done was put more product on those areas and waited longer. This is only 12 hours into the project. So when you're ready to take off the paper towels, make sure you rinse with scalding hot water and make sure to get all of the product off. You don't have to scrub anything here. This is what it looks like after I rinsed everything off. Here you can see there was not enough product on and it looks old still, but the grout and the tile looks brand new again. I didn't do the doors, as you can see. There are rust marks and mold that I still need to get off, and at the bottom of the doors I didn't put the paper towels on correctly with the product, and it looks like I ended up wiping it off because below the area is cleaner. You can see the areas that were missed on the caulking and the areas that were missed on the bottom of the shower. I forgot to wipe the inside of the holders out. I had already planned on doing this a second time. And here at the top you can see the difference of what it looked like from before and after. The previous person who lived here smoked in the bathroom and the tar has stained the grout and the caulking. I honestly could just take up the caulking and put down new. However, I wanted to do this for those who did not have that option, or for those who don't know how to apply the caulking. Here is what the outside of the shower and how bad the caulking looks like from all of the cigarette smoke. I will be tackling this in a different video. Now for the second time cleaning, start from the very top and work your way down. See how I began from the top in the corner and worked my way down? I actually found starting from the bottom and working my way to the top was easier because you can see the product just dripping and falling off to the bottom with how I'm doing it here. After everything is covered once again, make sure everything is fully covered with the product. The paper towel in the center of the shower I used to cover the product over the whole entire bottom of the shower. I put the paper towels up in the corner to help keep the gel on the caulking, and I also did the inside of the doorway where it closes to get the rust and the mold and the tar off. This is what it looks like after 2 hours. I have been reapplying the gel to the areas that have not been getting enough product. I did this for about 2 more hours. I took the paper towels off the sides of the top of the shower and reapplied the gel. And after 6 hours, this is what it looks like. I felt like I could start to take the paper towels off the bottom of the shower, and it's too hard holding the camera at the same time, so bear with me. If you want to take a hard bristle brush or a toothbrush and scrub the grout lines, make sure the brush is wet or it won't work. Use scalding hot water, and it's going to be very tedious if you do it this way. I suggest to turn on the water as hot as it will go. And if you do have a detachable shower head with different settings, change it to the most powerful setting. Spray the whole shower down. It may take 3 minutes to do, but at least it's faster than scrubbing first. I would suggest to wipe off the top parts of the shower so the water don't splash on the regular wall. This could stain your wall, but luckily I used Behr paint and was so glad that it didn't stay stained, because when it was wet, it looked stained, and I thought I was going to have to repaint. This was very therapeutic, rinsing everything off. This is the final outcome. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, let me know below. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell below, because next week's video is how to properly clean a toilet and how to keep the inside clean for 2 weeks. For now, I hope everyone has a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye!